Win in silence. How to work on yourself without unnecessary noise. Hello, my name is Alexi, and welcome to the Simple Life Wins channel. Today, I want to talk about how truly effective self-improvement happens in silence, away from noise and bustle. In a world where we constantly want to share every moment, prove our worth, and seek external approval, real victories are often achieved in silence, when no one is watching or judging. If you want to learn how to focus on your development without being distracted by outside noise and achieve success at your own pace, this video is for you. Why silence is power. In the noise of social media and constant comparison with others, it's easy to lose focus and self-awareness. Silence, on the other hand, provides space for deep work, self-analysis, and real growth. In moments of silence, we can hear ourselves, our true desires and goals, rather than those imposed from outside. Research shows that inner peace promotes better decision-making and creativity. To win in silence is to do what is truly important and see results without loud advertising and external pressure. Now, let us see how you can create such silence in your life and make the most of it for your development. How to work on yourself in silence. Practical tips. Create rituals and a routine without distractions. Morning or evening practices without gadgets to get in the mood for work and focus. Learn to tune out external noise. This means checking social media less often, not responding to every notification, and not giving in to other people's opinions. Write down your goals and progress. By keeping a journal or to-do list, you can track changes without having to prove anything to anyone. Celebrate small victories. You don't have to celebrate your successes loudly. Feel them inside and let them motivate you. Work systematically. Gradual and steady growth is stronger and more lasting than bursts of activity under external attention. Winning in silence means respecting yourself and your path, not succumbing to noise and external pressure, but focusing on what really matters. You are stronger than you think, and this strength is revealed in the silence of your efforts and steps. And share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for joining me today on Simple Life Wins. If you liked the video, please like it. Subscribe to the channel until we meet again. Remember that your victories are important, even if no one knows about them.